Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the little lock symbol next to your games on your PS4. So what you want to do is go up to the top and go to Settings and go to Account Management. Now, if you're losing your connection or something like that and you don't have your PS4 activated as primary, you're going to get the lock symbol. So you want to make sure you come to this section and go to Activate as your primary PS4 so you can play your games offline. So you might have a bad internet connection or something like that, so you might want to go through that process to restart your router and just connect and get back online. But come to this section and go to Activate right here, and then you won't get the lock symbol next to your game when you lose connection to the internet. And you'll be able to play your games offline. Now another thing you want to do is go to Restore Licenses down here at the bottom. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with your licenses. So just go to where it says Restore right here. Now, there's one other thing that we can try is going to sign out at the top. Just remember your email address and password. Maybe there's some sort of account sync issue where you have to just log out and log back in. Otherwise, you could just try restarting your PS4 if that didn't work. Go ahead and just try signing out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.